Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss a detailed list of 20 things you should never do to your car, including maintenance mistakes, driving hazards, and safety tips. Driving safety is crucial because it protects lives, prevents injuries, and reduces accidents that can cause financial and emotional distress. Every year, millions of people are killed or seriously injured due to reckless driving, distractions, and poor road habits. Safe driving practices, such as obeying speed limits, wearing seatbelts, avoiding distractions, and maintaining vehicles, help reduce risks and ensure smoother traffic flow. Additionally, responsible driving lowers insurance costs, extends vehicle lifespan, and minimizes legal troubles. Ultimately, prioritizing safety on the road benefits not only drivers, but also passengers, pedestrians, and other road users, creating a safer environment for everyone. These tips will prolong your car's life, improve safety, and save you money on costly repairs. 1. Never ignore the check engine light. This light warns of engine misfires, faulty sensors, or emissions problems. Ignoring it can lead to poor fuel efficiency, engine damage, or costly repairs. Never ignore the check engine light. This light warns of engine misfires, faulty sensors, or emissions problems. Ignoring it can lead to poor fuel efficiency, engine damage, or costly repairs. Never skip oil changes. Oil lubricates and cools your engine. Skipping oil changes causes sludge buildup, overheating, and engine failure. Check your owner's manual for the recommended oil change intervals, which is typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Never drive on an empty fuel tank. The fuel pump uses gas for cooling and lubrication. Running on empty overheats and damages the pump, leading to expensive replacements. Low fuel can also introduce air and debris into the fuel system, causing clogging and misfires. Never ignore strange noises or smells. Grinding brakes, your brake pads may be worn out, a burning smell, it could be overheating brakes, leaking oil, or electrical issues. And if you hear a knocking sound from the engine, it might be low oil or internal damage. Never ride the brakes or ignore brake issues. Resting your foot on the brake pedal wears out pads and rotors faster. If your brakes feel soft or spongy, it could indicate a brake fluid leak. Get it checked immediately. Never drive with worn out or underinflated tires. Bald tires reduce grip, increasing the risk of hydroplaning and blowouts. Underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency and cause uneven tread wear. Check tire pressure at least once a month and replace worn-out tires. Never use the wrong fuel or fluids. Using diesel in a gasoline car or vice versa can cause catastrophic engine damage. And using the wrong transmission fluid or coolant can lead to overheating and transmission failure. Never rev the engine when it's cold. When the engine is cold, oil hasn't fully circulated. Revving it increases wear and tear on internal components. Never ignore transmission issues. If your car experiences slipping gears, delayed shifting, or unusual noises, get it checked. Transmission repairs are among the most expensive, so catching issues early can save thousands. Never wash your car with dish soap. Dish soap strips away protective wax and dries out rubber seals. Always use a pH-balanced car shampoo to protect your paint. Driving safety mistakes that can be fatal. Never drive while drowsy or sleep-deprived. In fact, driving after being awake for 18 hours is equivalent to driving with a 0.05% blood alcohol content. Microsleeps, nodding off for 3 to 4 seconds at 60 miles per hour means you travel 300 feet without control. If you're feeling sleepy, pull over and rest. Never drive distracted. Texting, eating, or even adjusting the radio can be extremely dangerous. Did you know that texting while driving increases the risk of an accident by 23 times? And looking at your phone for just 5 seconds at 55 miles per hour means you're traveling the length of a football field without looking at the road. So always use hands-free devices or pull over if you need to use your phone. Never tailgate other vehicles. Rear-end collisions are one of the most common accidents, often due to following too closely. To avoid this, use the 3-second rule. Pick a stationary object and ensure there are at least 3 seconds between you and the car ahead, and remember to increase this to 5 to 7 seconds in bad weather. Never speed through potholes or flooded roads. Hitting potholes at high speeds can bend wheels, damage suspension, or even cause blowouts. Driving through 6 inches of water can cause a car to stall, while 12 inches can sweep a vehicle away. So slow down and stay safe. Never drive without a seatbelt. Did you know that seatbelts reduce the risk of death by 45% for front seat passengers? And remember, airbags do not replace seatbelts, they work together to provide full protection. Never brake hard on slippery roads. Slamming the brakes on wet, icy, or snowy roads can cause the car to skid out of control. If you have ABS or anti-lock braking system, apply steady pressure. But if you don't have ABS, pump the brakes gently to slow down without locking the wheels. Never drive with dirty or worn-out wipers. Visibility is crucial, and cracked, streaky, or slow-moving wipers reduce visibility in heavy rain. So, replace wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, especially before the rainy or snowy season. Never drive with broken or malfunctioning lights. Headlights, brake lights, and turn signals are essential for safety, especially at night or in bad weather. A burnt-out brake light can lead to a rear-end collision. Regularly check and replace faulty bulbs. Never drive with a cracked or dirty windshield. A cracked windshield weakens the structural integrity of your car. A dirty windshield reduces visibility, especially at night when lights create glare. Always keep your windshield clean and repair cracks immediately. Never overload your vehicle. Carrying excessive weight puts extra strain on the engine, brakes, and suspension. An overloaded car reduces fuel efficiency and increases stopping distance, making accidents more likely. Check your owner's manual for the maximum payload capacity. By avoiding these common car mistakes, you'll save money on unnecessary repairs, increase your car's lifespan, improve fuel efficiency, and stay safe on the road.